Hi everyone. Welcome to the final class for Bootstrap. Ooh, I'm happy we got to this point. This is the final class, and I am going to be explaining Bootstrap 5 grid system final one, which is the Bootstrap 5 grid LAD. So in the previous chapters, we presented a grid example with classes for small and medium devices. We used two divs colon and we gave them 25 and 75 split on small screens and a 50% split on middle screens. But on larger devices, the design may be better at of the 3 to 66 split. Let's move. I want you to just read through this. I don't want you to waste our time. So we have large devices are defined as having a screen width of 992 pixels and 1199 pixels. For larger screen devices, we'll use the LG classes. So now let's create, to make our screen sizes responsive now, we will not only specify SM, we will not only specify LG, we will specify SM, medium, and large. So let's check it now out. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Then for they use for 3. Now let's specify that. Let's check our example. Let's come here. So in this place, instead of that, we'll say LG, and we'll come here, we'll say LG. So automatically it understands what we are saying. Now let's check it out. So what is this thing that was said? The screen size, let's check back. 992. Now let's check here. F12. Now let's check 992. Can you see? 9 anything from 992, it picks up 92. Can you see? It picks up straight up. So that is how the large works. Now let's proceed. Let's move to the next part, which says large grid behavior. Now, Bootstrap is going to say at the small size, look at classes with SM in them and use those. At the medium size, look at classes with MD in them and use those. At the large size, look at classes with the word LG in them and use those. The following example will result in 25 to 75 split on small devices and 50 to 50% split on medium devices and 33 to 6% split on large devices, and we have X large, XS ladder devices, and so on. So note, make sure that the sum adds up to 12, and yet we know that one. Now we have using only ladder string. In the example above, we only specify the code LG6 class without the code MD or SM. This means that the ladder screen and the extra large screen device will split 50-50. However, for medium and small, the medium, small, and extra large small devices, it will stack vertically to 100%. So this is, we can have it like this, stack vertically to 100%. Let's move. We have auto layout column. So if you don't want to get this format, use the format of medium. It's just that you are changing it from SM. If you want to do medium, you change it to MD. If you want to do large, you change it to LG. So in Bootstrap 5, there is an easy way to create equal weight column for all devices. Just remove the number from the LG and only use the LG class on a specified number of code elements. Bootstrap will recognize how many colors that are there, and each column will get the same width. If the screen size is less than 992, the column will stack horizontally. So we can have it like this. Now let's move to the next part. Bootstrap 5 grid extra large. As we have it, I will just say keep using that format. So in extra large, they said the design may be better as 20 and split 80. Extra large devices are defined as having a small width from 1,200 pixels above. For extra large devices, we use the code XL, and we have XSL too. We'll talk about XSL too in the next part. So you can work around this, just try it out and drop what you did in the comment section. You can do a screenshot of what you did and you can like drop it in the comment section for me to see and comment you on what you've done. Then let's move to the next part, which is XXL, our final one. XSL devices are defined as having a screen width of 1,400 pixels and above. The following example will result in 50-50 split on medium, large, and extra large devices, and 25/75 split on XSL devices. On small and extra large and extra small devices, it will automatically start to 100%. So make sure that the sum always adds up. Yes, we will. Using only XSL, you can follow the same format. That is, you can use it without the number. This means extra large will split to 50-50. However, for extra large, medium, and small devices, it will stack horizontally. Do you get? Now let's move. Auto layout colon. In Bootstrap 5, there is an easy way to create it, like we know. Just remove the number from the code XSS and only use the .code XXL class without the number on the specified number of code elements. Bootstrap will recognize how many colons there are, and each colon will get the same width. I hope you understand everything that I've taught you so far in this Bootstrap. Please, if you don't understand anything, please you can drop it. If you want us to talk about it again in the comment section, no problem. We'll check it out. And thank you for taking this Bootstrap 5 class. That's been amazing so far. And please do well to comment if you like the classes. And thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at Tech Vision Academy. See you next time. Bye.